Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to connect wired headphones on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So, I don't have any near me right now, but I'm gonna still explain how to connect it. So there is only one port on your phone, which is which is the USB-C. So the USB-C it's mostly for charging, but it also can transfer data, so you can plug it into your computer or into wired headphones. And to do it, you either need to have the headphones that have USB-C on them, or an adapter that's from USB-C to mini jack, which I'm gonna search for to show you. So let's find mini jack to USB-C. And you can see that there are many different products online that you can just get. For example, this one to connect your mini jack headphones in here, then connect this port into your phone. And this is basically how you can connect your headphones. You can also get an adapter that has two ports in it. So it has the male USB-C that you can plug into your phone. Then there are two ports, the mini jack and the USB-C, so you can still charge your phone while having your headphones plugged in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.